6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. Slow. How do you do this? Come on. This in here. Connection 7, 8. We go in the break, turning the body. 1, 2. And then I push a little bit the body and give the girl free. Free! And I go on the floor close to her. Then on the other side. 5, 6, body, go 7, and I go 8. We go back. 1, 2, 3, and now we go up block 4. We transition 5. We go completely 6, syncopation, 7 and 8. Syncopation backwards. 1 and 2, balance and syncopation, short. 3 and 4, syncopation, 5 and 6, and now, when I have the girl like this, with this part of my hand, I will do left, right, left, up, 7 and 8, and release. Okay, so it's 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Left, right, left. Good. With music. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,